In the 1960s, Boeing embarked on a bold journey to change the skies forever. The aviation industry was on the brink of a revolution, and Boeing was determined to lead the charge. The company's engineers and designers worked tirelessly, poring over blueprints and models, envisioning an aircraft that would redefine air travel. With the development of the 747 jumbo jet, the world of commercial air travel was revolutionized, making global air travel more accessible than ever before. This massive aircraft, often referred to as the Queen of the Skies, could carry more passengers and cargo than any plane before it, transforming the way people thought about flying. In 1965, Boeing was tasked with creating something unprecedented, a larger aircraft capable of carrying hundreds of passengers across long distances. The challenge was immense, requiring innovative thinking and groundbreaking engineering. The team had to consider every detail, from the aerodynamics of the wings to the comfort of the passengers. The 747, with its distinctive humpback design, was conceived to meet growing demand for mass air travel. This unique design not only allowed for a spacious upper deck, but also gave the aircraft its iconic look. The prototype quickly became a symbol of modern aviation, capturing the imagination of the public and industry experts alike. Led by visionary engineers like Joe Sutter, Boeing's team faced incredible challenges, from developing new materials to rethinking aerodynamics. Sutter, often called the father of the 747, played a crucial role in overcoming these obstacles. His leadership and innovative ideas were instrumental in bringing the 747 to life. When the first 747 took flight with Pan American Airways in 1970, it ushered in a new era of commercial aviation. The sight of this enormous aircraft taking to the skies was a momentous occasion, drawing crowds and media attention from around the world. It marked the beginning of a new chapter in air travel, one where long-haul flights became the norm. Its ability to carry up to 400 passengers reduced the cost of air travel, making it affordable for more people. This democratization of air travel meant that more families could afford to take vacations, and businesses could expand their reach. The 747's spacious interior also set new standards for in-flight comfort and amenities. With the 747, international travel was no longer reserved for the wealthy elite. Destinations that were once out of reach for many were now just a flight away. Families could explore new cultures, and students could study abroad with greater ease. The world felt smaller and more connected thanks to the 747. As airlines adopted the 747, the world became more connected than ever before. The aircraft's range and capacity allowed airlines to offer more routes and frequent flights, making it easier for people to travel for business or pleasure. The 747 became a common sight at airports around the globe, a testament to its success and popularity. The airplane's capacity for long-haul flights not only opened new markets for tourism but also fueled global business and trade. Companies could ship goods across continents more efficiently, and international business meetings became more feasible. The 747 played a pivotal role in the growth of the global economy. By the late 20th century, the 747 had become a symbol of globalization, allowing people and goods to travel farther and faster. Its impact was felt in every corner of the world, from bustling metropolises to remote villages. The 747 helped bridge gaps between cultures and economies, fostering a more interconnected world. From its groundbreaking design to its far-reaching impact, Boeing's 747 changed the face of commercial air travel. Airports had to adapt to accommodate the larger aircraft, and new infrastructure was built to support the increased passenger traffic. The 747's influence extended beyond aviation, shaping industries and societies in profound ways. Its legacy lives on as the jumbo jet that made the world a smaller place. The 747 remains an icon of innovation and progress, a reminder of what can be achieved with vision and determination. As we look to the future of aviation, the 747 story continues to inspire new generations of engineers and travelers. Subscribe to emgotv1 for more stories about the companies that shaped modern life. Our channel delves into the history and impact of the innovations that have transformed our world, offering insights and stories that you won't find anywhere else. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more deep dives into America's corporate giants and their innovations. Stay tuned for more fascinating tales of ingenuity and enterprise that continue to shape our everyday lives.